We'll build this search component. This has case sensitive, case insensitive search. We'll use this URL to fetch some users and store it in a state. So const users set users equals to use state. Initially it will be an empty array. We also need use effect function. This will only run once. So empty dependency array. I'll have an async function called get users without any parameters, and we'll use the browser fetch API. So const response equals to await fetch. I'll paste the URL, and we also need to call the JSON method. So data equals to await response dot JSON. So set users data dot map user dot name. It has a property called name, and I'll call this function here get users. Now this should be having all the names, so I'll render it. Users dot map user returns a div user. Okay, we see the names. I'll pass the key prop. We need an input field for the search, so we'll have an input field, input type text. We'll make this as a controlled input. Const search set search. Initially it will be a empty string. We'll pass the on change prop. So set search equals to e dot target dot value. We also need to pass the value prop. So value equals to search. So this is a controlled input now, but it doesn't work right now. For it to work, we need to have some derived state. So we'll have that const filtered users equals to users dot filter. Each user will check if user dot includes the search text, right? And instead of users, we'll use filtered users. We don't see any difference, but when we type, by default, this is case sensitive search. So we'll add a case sensitive checkbox. Checkbox. We'll make this a controlled checkbox. So we need some state is sensitive, set is sensitive. Initially it will be false. We'll copy this function, and here we'll pass the on change prop. Inside this callback, we'll set is case sensitive to e dot target dot checked. Because this is a boolean value, we need this, so we can use this. Inside the filter function, we'll have some condition. So if it's case sensitive, then do this, or else we want to lowercase everything. So user will also be to lower case, and search text will also be in lower case. This should be working. So now if I type LE, we only see 2 results because it is case sensitive. If I uncheck this, we see 5 results. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe guys, please.